In today's lesson, we will see that which interpreter is the best to execute Python code or integrated development environment. For this, you will get many software online, in which the most popular are IDE, Atom, PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, etc. You will also get many editors online. You can do its coding in Notepad++. In simple Notepad also you can do it. The benefit of doing in Notepad++ and Notepad is that they are lightweight. Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Atom, and Sublime copy a lot of space, and secondly, they are very heavy software. In our development of today's lesson, we will use IDLE software. When we install Python, by default, IDLE interpreter is also installed. We will use this because it is lightweight, the access and functionalities are equal to any big IDE. To run this, we will first go to CMD, or we will simply type IDLE in run instead of CMD. Now whichever version you have installed of Python, I have two versions installed. One is 3.8 32-bit and the other is 3.7 64 bits. You want to do coding in whatever environment, in 3.8, which is the advanced version, or any other older version. Whatever versions of Python you will install, you will have their IDLE interpreters also installed with them. We will go in 3.7 to do our coding. When I clicked on 3.7 IDLE, its shell was opened in front of me. You have seen before that in CMD also we have same environment of Python. We can do any work here. I can run my Python command here. It has given me accurate output after execution. Here we wanted to know how our interpreter of IDLE will work. It has all the facilities of a big and mature interpreter. You can check in toolbar if you want to create a new file, have to open an existing file, have to open any module. Will show all files recently been used. Save, save as, print are all shown in submenu of file. Apart from this, we have edit, undo, all the options which are available in a mature interpreter or IDE are available here. In shell, we have last restart information available. Information about debugging also is available. If we have to do configuration, what can be done in configuration? It's font, font size, coloring, styling. If you want to highlight any area, those settings are also available. If you have to set the key, have to install extensions, all such options are available in it. You can check help, version and update in Windows from here. We can take help from actual portal of Python from here. The IDE which we will use in a course for the development of Python is IDLE interpreter, which is by default installed with Python.